Hello everyone, welcome to part 137 of Laravel 9 series in which we're continuing the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the order placement process that we have started in the last video, and we are going to work on the COD orders first of all, cash on delivery orders, and we are going to insert the order details in this video. Okay, in the last video we able to generate the tables. You have seen that we able to generate the orders table, create the orders table, and also able to create the order underscore products table. Okay, so now in this video we are going to place the cash on delivery order. Okay, so before moving further, one check we need to add here, like suppose the user delete the items from the cart. There are two items right now, and suppose he opens the cart page and remove the items from there. Okay, then the checkout page must not open. Suppose he removes these items. Okay, I'm going to remove these items, like only one item left now, and I'm going to remove the another item as well. Now the card is empty. You can see the 0 rupees is coming. Now if I will reach to the checkout page, I'm going to refresh this page, and you can see the checkout page is still opening with the place order button, so it is not correct. See, every time if the checkout is empty, the user will automatically redirect to the card page, okay, with the error message that please add more products to the cart, or shopping cart is empty, please add products to checkout. Okay, so we are going to add this condition, and we are going to add this condition in the checkout function. So I'm going to close these earlier files. So I'm going to open the ProductsController in front, and we'll open the checkout function, and in checkout function I'm going to add one condition based on the get card items. So one thing I'm going to do here, this is the post method. What I'm going to do, I'm going to see everything I will put at the top here instead of bottom, because we are going to use this inside the if condition as well. Okay, so that is better. Okay, here we can add this one after that the if condition, that we can close it like this. Okay, so it is better. Okay, so here we are going to check the get card items once again in checkout function, where now there is no card item. You can see the array is empty, so we are going to check the array here. If the array is empty, then we are going to redirect the user back to the card page. We are going to check the array here, count. We are going to count the array here, get card items array, and if it is equal to 0, then we will redirect the user back to the cart page with the error message. The message that we are going to display is something like shopping cart is empty, please add products to checkout. Here return, redirect card. Okay, with error message that we are going to display this message. Fine. Now we are going to check here. I'm going to refresh and see the user automatically redirected to the card page. Okay, and make sure that in the card blade file we can able to show the error message like we are showing in the detail blade file. We can copy from there these messages. Okay, and we can display okay, so we can once again, or we'll try to open the checkout. This one display before row. Now I'm going to check once again, and now it is fine. Okay, we have got the message here, shopping cart is empty, please add products to checkout. Okay, so that the user can click on continue shopping and will or user can simply add from here. Okay, open that any particular category and can add the products into the cart. Okay, so we can align this one as well. Okay, so now see, if the user clicks on the proceed to checkout, it will not able to proceed to checkout because the system, the website will ask him to add the products to checkout. Okay, so now it is fine. Now the user is required to add the products into the cart, only then he can move to the checkout page. So this condition is required, so add this condition at your end. Now the user able to add the can reach the checkout page. Like if I have added now one product, see, now I can able to move to the checkout page. So I'm going to add one more product now. uh, okay, so I'm going to add one vendor related product. I'm going to check that which products belong to the vendor, where vendor id is not empty. This is the product that is with id 8. Okay, I'm going to check the product with the 8th id. I'm going to open that product. So this is the product. Okay, availability out of stock, so no issue. I'm going to add stock for this product. Product id is 8. Product id is 8, so I'm going to add the stock from the admin panel as well. Okay, so either admin or the vendor itself can update the stock, can update the attributes. Okay, can add the attributes for this product. Okay, so we are going to make attributes like simply like small SKU, BT 501. Okay, price, we can add any price here. Add one more medium here, BT 501. Yeah, fine. So now we can click on submit. It has been added. Two of the attributes have been added for this product. Now we can try once again. I'm going to refresh. Here you can see the in stock is coming, and now we can able to add its item. Okay, so two of the items have been added here. Okay, now we can able to move to the checkout page. Now you can see the both the items are coming here. Now see, now we are going to debug this code, we will get the delivery id, and we will get the order items, and we will get the payment method. Okay, so after debugging, we are going to get whatever information we require to fill up the orders and orders underscore products table. Okay, I'm going to open here as well. I'm going to open from here. So first one is the orders table. So we need to make sure that we have all the information that we can fill up this orders table, as well as the order underscore products table. Ordered underscore products table, this one. Okay, so I'm going to check the checkout function here. So here in the post method, okay, we are going to work on in the post method now. So here, see, if all condition met, then we are ready to place order. So we are checking that the delivery address is selected. The first thing is we need to make sure that this one is selected. Okay, so second thing is payment method is selected. So payment method is also selected, and third thing is we need to select the agree to terms and condition. Agree to, sorry, agree to T and C. Okay, so this one also we need to check before now we can able to place the order. Okay, so when we will place the order, here this one we are going to check once that whatever data that is coming, so that we can use that data. Okay, So I'm going to do it like this. Place order. See, we are getting this data. Address ID we are getting. Payment gateway we are getting, and see these two things we are going to use, and ignore this one. Okay. So now on the basis of these two things, we will continue. Okay. So now I'm going to write here. So based on the delivery ID, I will fetch the delivery address. Okay, so let's get delivery address from address ID. We are having the address ID here, so we are going to fetch the delivery address from the address ID. Okay, so here I will mention it like this: delivery address. I am able to fetch that delivery address where ID $data address ID, this one. Okay, and here I am going to get this. First I will also convert it to 2 array like this. Okay, so we can check once that we able to get the delivery address here or not. So I can comment this one and we'll check up here, refresh, and here you will get the delivery address. So we able to fetch the delivery address here. Okay, so the second thing is our our payment gateway is COD here. Okay, we can check here that we are getting the payment gateway. Once again I'm going to do it like this to check so that we can move further. See, our payment gateway is COD, so we need to set the payment method as well. So for setting the payment method, if our payment gateway is COD, then our payment method is also COD. Otherwise, our payment method is always prepaid. Prepaid means that we are getting the advance payments from the customer. Okay. So another condition we are going to add here. Okay. So that is set payment method as COD if payment if COD is selected from user, otherwise it will be otherwise prepaid, otherwise set as prepaid. Okay, so now we are going to check this condition as well. If $data payment gateway equal to COD, so in this case payment method is also COD. Okay, and also we will set the order status as well. Okay, order status will be here new. Okay, and else it means that in else there will be always payment method is prepaid. Okay, because COD is just once and prepaid can be multiple. Okay, so we will set the payment method as the prepaid, and order status in case of prepaid always pending. So why we keep it as pending in case of prepaid? Because the user is going to pay for the order in advance, and if the payment is confirmed, then we are going to convert it to payment captured. Okay, payment captured like this only after the payment paid, otherwise it will be we are going to keep it like pending. Okay, so the admin can update to either to cancel, or we will create the API that will convert those status to either to the either to the cancel or to the payment captured. Okay, so now the another one that we need to see here, we need to calculate the grand total as well. Okay, grand total, also coupon amount, coupon code. If the coupon code is there, then we need to mention the coupon amount here as well, and coupon amount we need to reduce from the total price that subtotal. And like here, like what we are doing here, if there is coupon discount, then subtotal and the grand total will differ, because like 100 rupees coupon, we can also here straight away we can also add one coupon here, so that our things will get clear. Okay, so here I'm going to add one coupon. Let's see, let's add one coupon here. Percentage coupon. I will, okay, so I will try now. I'm checking with the different coupons. We'll see that which one will run. Yes, this one is working. Here you can see the 10% coupon, 220 rupees discount. Proceed to checkout, and here you can see now the grand total is 1980 after deducting coupon discount rupees 220. So the same thing we are going to do there. So here we need to enter the grand total in the orders table. Here I'm going to open the orders table once again. Orders table. Okay, in the orders table I am going to add the grand total as 1980. Okay, and coupon discount as 220 rupees. Okay, so for that we need to here calculate subtotal, grand total, and coupon discount. Basically we are going to calculate the grand total. Okay, so now first thing is like we are doing at the checkout late file, so we are going to repeat that, like the total price is 0. Okay, and then the for each loop here here okay, so now here we are going to check the uh, here whatever is coming. Okay, we are generating total price here like this, and finally we have that total price here, so we can check the total price here. This is without coupon. Check once if the total price is coming file. Text error is coming. Actually we left here something. Here we also require this one to get the attribute price of every product. Now I think now it will work. unexpected token for each. Still there is some issue, I think. Okay, so here we forgot to put semicolon. Now it must work. No, still there is some issue. Okay, so another semicolon I have missed. Okay, don't do the silly mistakes at your end. Okay, I used to do very silly mistakes that will take a lot of time to resolve. Okay, so now see, there is no issue. Now we can move further, and the total price must come now. Let's see. So here the total price is coming, that is 2200, so that is fine. So we able to fetch the total price here. Okay, so now here make sure like see, we don't have any shipping charges right now, so otherwise we will calculate the shipping charges as well. That shipping charges module we will add soon. Now the shipping charges we will assume it as 0. So shipping underscore charges, later on we will add its module here, then we will create its function to get the shipping charges. Okay, to calculate the shipping charges. Okay, so finally we can calculate the grand total here. Okay, calculate grand total. Here we can write fetch total price. Okay, now calculate grand total. Now we can do like grand total equal to total price plus shipping charges and minus uh, here that coupon discount. We have the that coupon discount initiation variable, you can see, so that we can reduce from there, minus this one. Okay, so we finally get the grand total here. Okay, so we will also do one thing here. We will put the grand total in the session variable as well, so that we can further use it everywhere, like in the thanks page later on. Insert grand total in session variable as well. Session put grand total like this. Okay, so we are now ready to place the order. Now we have all the details that we require. Okay, so now we can start see inserting details. So let's create the order. First of all, insert order details, main details of the order. Insert order details. So dollar order equal to new order. We are going to place the new order here. Okay, so first one is the, we can see here, user ID, that we can simply get from the auth user ID, the user who is currently logged in. So after that the name of the delivery, this is the delivery address, name, address, city, state. Okay, so that name that we can fetch from the here from the delivery address. Okay, that we are getting there from the address ID. Okay, so delivery, here we are using the array, so we will get the address here like this. I'm going to use it like this. So address, after delivery city, where we are going to deliver the order, then state, then country, then pin code, then mobile, sorry, okay, and finally email. Also email, we can either get from there, or we can just do the auth that from auth we can get the email from auth as well. Like we are getting the id here, we will get from the auth user email. Every user is having his unique email, okay, that we will get from the auth, because auth will have the all the information of the user, okay, because the user is logged in with the auth only, okay. So after this one, uh, now the another fields are shipping charges. So shipping charges, we have seen that it's zero right now, but we have the variable. This variable we are going to use it later on. Okay, so after shipping charges, we're going to use here coupon code and coupon amount, that is coming in special. Coupon code and coupon code we are already getting in session, like the coupon amount here it is like coupon code, and after that coupon amount. Coupon amount also we are getting in session. If there is the coupon amount, then we will get in session, and we will directly put it in orders table, okay. So and after that, the order status, okay, order status, and then payment method. Here you can see the order status. Order status we are getting for the COD, the order status will be new. We have already calculated the order status for the COD as well as the prepaid. So after that, the payment method and payment gateway, and then grand total. Payment method also we are getting here. Payment method, we are generating the payment method based on the COD. Payment gateway, we will get the payment method as well as COD. After that, the payment gateway we are directly getting from the user. The user select the payment gateway there, okay. So we are getting this one. So finally, the grand total of the order, grand total also we are calculating here. Okay, so all the information is ready. After that, we are going to save details, order, save, and after saving, we will generate its order ID straight away, because we are going to use this order ID in the orders underscore products under table, okay, order underscore products table. Get PDO last inserted ID, okay. So like this. So we will straight away used it for the card items, okay. Here we will add another for each loop, but we will check from the card products, or we can simply do that once again, like card items that we are getting there. Simply this one we are going to repeat this one, okay. Get card items, so that we can loop through all the products and will add them as well, okay. We can simply use this condition once again here also, like this, because all the card items we are getting here. And now I'm going to remove this one, and here we are going to add here like card item new. Now we are generate the orders product, okay, new orders product, like this, dollar card item. And here, yeah, I will make it I in caps, card item. And first one is the order ID that we have just generated, order ID, this order ID. Okay, and after that the user ID. So what's happening, okay, user ID. user id we will get from the same auth user id. And after that there are two things we need to get here, and that are the admin id as well as the vendor id. So that we are going to get from the product details, and we need to fetch here the product details here. Okay, specific product details, get product details along with the vendor and admin id. Okay, like we need to know that who added this product. We will get some of the information, not all. Okay, so we will get the product code here, and we will get the product name as well, and we are going to get the product color, and we will get the admin id, then vendor id as well, and all these information we will get after comparing the that product id, okay, that we are getting here from the item. We will use C2 array here as well. We can check once that we are getting the product details here or not. And before doing anything, we can do one more thing here. Here we will add the db begin transaction and db commit, so that our transaction is not completed yet. So any kind of debugging that we are doing here, so both the tables will work together. Like we don't want like the orders table is filled up with one entry, but orders underscore products table not filled up with any entry. So if in case any issue comes in between, then either the both will filled up, or nothing will happen. So for that, we will start the execution with the db begin transaction, and will see stop the execution after the everything is completed. Okay, so I'm going to start from the here. Okay, or we can simply start from here, db begin transaction, and here okay. So after that, at last we're going to add here db commit. So even if we will try to debug this one, so it will not fill up the orders tables. We're going to check here. See, we need to add its models as well at the top. Order as well as the orders product. Now we're going to try once again, and see, we need to try from here. Okay, so we are getting the information here. Whatever we require, we are going to fetch the information here, the product details. Okay, so these are the product details. This product is entered by the vendor, so we are getting the details here. So we can comment now this one, and we can just simply add the vendor details, whatever details we are getting. Okay, admin id, get product details, id. Okay, vendor id as well. After that, the product id as well. See, product id is coming in dollar item here like this, and after the product id, product code, so that also coming in the product details. After that, the product name also we are getting there, and the product color after that, that also we are getting in get product details. Here you can see. Okay, so after that the product size, so product size we are getting in items. Okay, we will not get here, it's coming in item we are having in the cars table. If you will see in cars table, here we will get the product size. Okay, so here we will just mention the size. Okay, so now the product price as well as the quantity, and for product price once again we will fetch that. Okay, to get the product price, like in the same way like we have done earlier as well. Okay, so dollar item product id as well as the dollar item size, so it's fine. So after that we have got now card item. So here, sorry, here we will have the product price, dollar get whatever they get discounted. Okay, attribute price, and here it's coming in the final price. Okay, we are going to see this one in products. So whatever the uh, here we can check. Yeah, final price we are we are having the in the get if you want to see in details, we have the variable there of final price here in the get discount attribute price. Okay, so here you can see we are fetching the final price here. Okay, final price is the product price minus the discounted price. Discounted price may be coming in as the category discount or the product discount. Okay, so check the previous videos if you have no idea. Okay, so now see we have the final price, and now that we are adding in the product price, and finally the product quantity, only the product quantity is left. Item product quantity, here quantity that we are also getting in dollar item. Okay, quantity like this. So finally we are going to save the item details as well, order item details. Okay, so fine. So now we can try, so that our entries will come up here in the orders and orders products table, so that we can move further after this one. I'm going to open here ecom 9 orders table, where it is, here it is, orders structure as well as the order underscore product structure. Okay, so both the tables are empty right now. Okay, so now we can run, and let's see. We're going to select once again and place order, and still it is coming back. We are going to see why it is coming back. Here I think nothing happens. Oh, okay, it happens, it is coming back, but it is also filling up. Okay, you can see here order products also filling up. Okay, so actually two orders have been placed. We are going to make it empty. We'll try once again. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do here echo order successfully placed die. Okay, so that we can come to know. So we will do one more time here. Orders and orders products table are empty now. Okay, so I'm going to do now. Okay, so let's see. we have added we have selected one of the delivery address, then COD, then agree to terms and condition, click on place order and see order successfully placed. That is fine. We will check in orders table, only one item, only one time it repeats, so it's fine. See, complete information have been filled up. You can see id, user details. Okay, the delivery details where where we are going to ship the order. Okay, along with the coupon code, coupon amount. Okay, order status as well, payment method. Okay, grand total also 1980. So after deducting the coupon amount. Okay, so everything seems to be perfect. And now we will check the order products. So two items are there, so two rows must be. So the two rows are there. So both the items are here now, BT501 and RCG01. So one of the item is by the vendor and another item is by the admin. So if there is the 0 in the vendor ID, then it means added by the admin. Okay, so the another one is added by the vendor. You can see the vendor ID is also there. Okay, so complete product details is also here. Okay, so now we able to place the order, and the order information is coming in the orders table. In the next video, we are going to show the thanks. We are going to create the thanks page, and with the thanks message we are going to show, and then we are going to work on the order details. We are going to show in the admin panel as well as the user account. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.